Okay, so before we talk about menu, let me create one more post and add an image to the post. So basically, we want to talk about how to add media files. So let me start with a new post. And this post is, I want to just give one, um just few lines about WordPress, like how WordPress is going to be used by these entrepreneurs. And WordPress is like a god for entrepreneurs. That's what I say. And the description I can write for this is as, and let me go to visual mode and paste it. And let's say if I want to format this more and I want to make certain things as bold, certain things as maybe different color. So the good thing here is there is something called kitchen sink. This is the last icon here you can see. So if I show this kitchen sink, and here I can see all kind of tools to format the text. For example, if I want to change the color for the last two lines, I can choose this and go for a blue color. And if I want to do underline for the first lines, I can do this. Well, that's not looking good, so I'll remove it. But I'll change the color for that also into the same blue. And what we can do is now I can go ahead and publish it. Before adding a media, I want to show you how it looks because now we learned about kitchen sink. Okay, and I go back to home page. You can click just on the home to refresh the home page, and you can see my second blog is ready, which is WordPress is like a god for entrepreneurs. But the interesting thing here is the first one went to the bottom and the second one came to the top. That's the reverse order. Like first thing will be visible as a first recent blogs. Okay, so now let me see how to add a media file to this. There is a button called add media. Okay, so let me add media, and then it shows upload files, or I can go and select any existing files in the media library. But here I don't have any files added to this yet, so I can upload files into this. So I can go to my local system, and I selected a WordPress JPEG to be shown in this thing. So now I selected this, I uploaded the image now so far. And if I want to insert this image in the post, I can just select as insert into the post. And it is visible here on the bottom, and I don't like this position. So I can just drag it to the top layer. I want to show before W. Okay, so it's not coming. I don't want to waste time on that. I'll just remove the W. Okay, and I'll put here. And also okay. So this is the image I inserted here successfully. And let's see the preview of it, which again going back to the home page and refresh. And you can see that I see a title and then the image and the text what I entered here, right? Okay. So now, but there is one other way of adding an image. It's called featured image for a post. And if I scroll down, I see something called featured image. Let's see what is the difference between inserting the image in the post versus inserting the image as a featured image. So I see the same image, I will select the same thing and set as a featured image. Now if I go update, go back to my home other tab and refresh to see the home page. So here the featured image will be shown before the title. Of course, that is all depending on the layout and templates used, but for now we can see this is featured image and this is the title, and here the image I inserted inside the post. Okay, I can control how I want to make it look. I want to use it as a featured image feature rather than inserting the image in the post. So I'll go ahead and delete this. Let me change the color for that W also. The same. Okay. And then I want to add two more categories to this thing. It doesn't have to be on default, and I want to say this is for tools and tips, and I want to add this for ideation also, because this WordPress helps for uh, to quickly validate the ideas of entrepreneurs and put something in front of the customers, and then we can validate it. So basically I selected two categories for this and update. Now if I go back and again refresh the home page, you can see that this is the image on the top, which is a featured image, and then my blog. So if I click on the title, I'll be taken to actual the blog URL, and you can see that it is part of two categories, ideation and tooltips, and that's it. So now we learned how to add images, and we can also see about this media here. If I go to media and library, here I can see all the images I uploaded, but here I have only one image because I have uploaded only one image. And if I want to delete this, I can delete it, or I can add more images by clicking add new. So here I can manage my media files. Okay. Now in the next we'll talk about menu.